Welcome to a special edition of Slipstream, where we'll be focusing mostly on news and community events that have been affected by the shelter-in-place order and the COVID-19 pandemic. I'm your host, Veronica Law. Here's what's happening in local government. The California State Public Health Officer and Director of the California Department of Public Health is ordering all individuals living in the state of California to stay home or at their place of residence, unless they work in what has been deemed as essential businesses due to the COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 primarily spreads through the air and on commonly touched surfaces such as doorknobs or countertops. If you think you may been exposed to COVID-19 and are feeling sick with fever-like or respiratory illness symptoms, call ahead to a healthcare professional and see them as soon as possible. Census Day 2020 is officially here. Every 10 years, the federal government conducts a population count of everyone in the United States. Data from the census provides the basis for distributing large amounts of federal aid for communities across the country to support vital programs such as housing, education, transportation, and healthcare. Make sure you fulfill your civic duty and participate in the 2020 census. This year, the U.S. Census Bureau will be accepting responses online, and late responses will be accepted until July 31st. Go to your city website for more information. The shelter-in-place has been extended. The order is intended to ensure that the maximum number of people self-isolate in their place of residence while enabling essential services to continue. This will slow the spread of COVID-19 as much as possible. When people absolutely need to leave their place of residence, they should practice as much social distancing as they possibly can. Try to stay at least 6 feet away from all people at all times, and do not shake hands or even touch anyone else unless it's absolutely necessary. I'll be back with more news in a moment. Welcome back. The Alameda County Public Health Department has created a website to inform the public about COVID-19. The Department of Public Health states that residents who are experiencing symptoms such as fever, cough, or shortness of breath should contact their health provider immediately and inform them of people they've been in contact with and places they've been in the past 3 weeks. Everyone should isolate themselves at their home until further notice. Visit the Alameda County Health Department's website at acphd.org for more information. Mayor Marchand of Livermore recently assured residents that while the shelter-in-place order is in effect, the city is still committed to maintaining essential city services. In accordance with the order, however, the city has canceled or postponed some beloved city programs and events. But Livermore residents should take comfort in knowing that their emergency service workers and first responders are still on the job of protecting the community and taking special precautions to keep everyone safe. Pleasanton City Council has suspended meetings until further notice. Here's an update regarding the city from City Manager Nelson Fiallo.
On behalf of our mayor and council, our first responders and police and fire, and our city employees, I hope this message finds you safe and healthy. The city's priorities during this initial phase of response include: number 1, public safety; number 2, the health and welfare of our community and employees, especially the most vulnerable senior population; number 3, protection and maintenance of critical assets; and number 4, the dissemination of accurate and timely information to the public and our city employees.
Tri-Valley TV brings you news updates from your local government officials. The mayor's report and COVID-19 special announcements from the cities of Dublin, Livermore, and Pleasanton. Watch TV 28 and 29 to stay informed, or go to tv30.org. Stick around, we'll be back with more Slipstream in a moment. Welcome back to Slipstream. Here's an update for parents and students about education in the Tri-Valley. The Alameda County Public Health Department has extended the school dismissal duration for all public schools to May 1st, 2020. Here's a message from Pleasanton Unified School District Superintendent David Haglund about the dismissal.
I know this about our Pleasanton teachers. They are a caring, committed, and compassionate group and will do everything they can to ensure each student benefits from continued learning during these mandated school dismissals. At this time, all district sites are closed to the public and functioning with a small number of essential staff. The remainder of our employees are sheltering at home along with their families. Please feel free to email your teachers with questions or reach out to your school's principal if you need additional support. Email will be much more effective than phone calls at this time. Please understand that, like most of you, our staff is working remotely and are juggling responsibilities for their families while at home. We will get through this together and will be better because of it.
Craig Bueno is board president of Livermore Valley Joint Unified School District. Here's a message from him about the schools in Livermore.
Please know that our entire staff is dedicated to creating the best possible learning experience for your child. I can tell you personally that it's been remarkable, actually touching, to watch as our entire teaching force has pivoted their focus in just 2 weeks to meet the need of their students.
Dublin Unified School District Superintendent Dave Markin had this to say about the district.
Good morning. My name is Dave Markin. I'm the superintendent of Dublin Unified School District, and I want to just get a message out to our teachers, to our families, and to our community, thanking you for being versatile and being flexible in this ever-changing dynamic, literally changing at times by the hour. I just want to assure you that we are working day and night to provide quality education in advance. Also, we are feeding our children, especially our students that are on free and reduced lunch.
To keep advised on the latest updates, visit the school district's websites. Links to all these sites can also be found on the TV30 website. Just click on the school district's logo. Given the latest guidelines of the Alameda County Public Health Department and guidance from Pleasanton Unified School District, PPIE will not be able to host the 8th annual Pleasanton Run for Education on April 19th in person. The possibility of a virtual run or a back-to-school family fitness expo at the beginning of next school year have been discussed, but PPIE is still working out the details. PPIE is putting the health of its students, parents, and staff as the first priority when deciding on how to move forward. TV30's 10th Annual Outstanding Athletic Awards will not be held April 14th as originally planned due to the shelter-in-place. Students will be notified after the shelter-in-place is lifted as to the status of this year's annual event. School board meetings are available on Tri-Valley TV 28. Check out our schedule online for dates and times, tv30.org. Stick around, I'll be back with more news about what's happening in the Tri-Valley in a moment. Welcome back to Slipstream, your connection to community events taking place in the Tri-Valley. Even during the COVID-19 pandemic, Open Heart Kitchen remains committed to serving free, nutritious meals to Tri-Valley residents in need. The community's health, well-being, and security are Open Heart Kitchen's highest priorities. As a food assistance and social service organization, Open Heart Kitchen regularly maintains the highest level of food safety and employee safety certifications. Open Heart Kitchen is working closely with all Tri-Valley senior centers and partnering with other nonprofit agencies, including CityServe of the Tri-Valley and Tri-Valley Haven, to ensure the community's most vulnerable residents are fed and taken care of. To help Open Heart Kitchen really make a difference, visit donate.openheartkitchen.org. In addition to providing relief resources for Pleasanton's local businesses and employees, Pleasanton has been working with community business organizations like the Pleasanton Downtown Association and the Pleasanton Chamber of Commerce on different ways to support local businesses. To find out how Pleasanton businesses are adjusting during this time to provide goods and services to the community, please visit the Pleasanton City website at cityofpleasantonca.gov. The Pleasanton Library may be closed during the COVID-19 pandemic, but that doesn't mean you can't take advantage of the many library and recreational resources available online. At the Pleasanton Virtual Library and Recreation Center, you'll find a great selection of free applications and online services that you can access from home. Whether you're looking for entertainment or education, there's something there for you. Visit cityofpleasantonca.gov to find the Pleasanton Virtual Library. Visit Tri-Valley is helping local businesses at this time. Robin Farr gave us an update.
Hi, Channel 30. It's Robin Farr from Visit Tri-Valley. Thanks for asking us to come in. Of course, we're not coming in anymore, but we wanted to give you an update of what's going on over at Visit Tri-Valley. So we've gone from being a destination marketing organization to a destination management organization. You'll notice our website has changed quite a bit. We're no longer trying to attract visitors, which we did very well, mind you, but now we're really trying to make sure the locals and our businesses remain intact. So if you'll go to our website, which is visittrivalley.com, you'll notice you've got a brand new campaign going on, which is called Tri-Valley to Go. And it lists all the restaurants in the area, what they're doing. They're not letting you come in and sit down, of course, but you can do some drive-ups, you can do some takeout, and they can even do delivery. So we're really encouraging people to stay and eat local and really help our businesses out. We've got another page on there which is giving updates on everything that kind of pertains to us when it comes to the coronavirus. So we hope you'll take a look. It's real easy to navigate now. It's, again, www.visittrivalley.com, and we're all about being Tri-Valley strong. That's really what this is about. Come together. When this thing is over, we'll be better than ever. So over and out. We look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.
Tri-Valley to Go is a promotional campaign to help support local businesses. Are you looking for a list of Tri-Valley restaurants currently open during the shelter-in-place order? Tri-Valley to Go provides a list of local businesses, restaurants, breweries, and wineries with adjusted operation hours, new takeout menus, pickup schedules, and delivery options. You can find the Tri-Valley to Go list of businesses at visittrivalley.com. Don't go away, I'll be back in a moment. Welcome back. Amazon is making some of its family-friendly programming available for free on Prime Video as a result of the COVID-19 crisis. The content is available to all Amazon customers and no Prime membership is required. So if you're cooped up at home with the kids and nothing to do, go to Amazon.com and check out the Prime Video selection. Dinner to go with your entertainment or break up the day? If you are craving some of that great food from Campo de Bacci in Livermore, you're in luck. They're open for takeout. Check out their menu online or give them a call at 925-249-9800. All Livermore area recreation and Park District Ranger-led programs during April are canceled. The parks in Livermore are still open, but please practice and follow all social distancing guidelines while visiting. Stay 6 feet away from people, share the trail, and yield to others to maintain a safe distance. Any social gatherings in the parks are strictly prohibited. For the latest updates and more information, visit larpd.org. Everyone deserves to feel safe. Ruby's Place is a relational-based program that provides shelter, services, and housing to the survivors of human trafficking and domestic abuse. They have shared this message with us.
Hi, I'm Don from Ruby's Place, and would like to let everyone know our 24-hour crisis line and residential facilities are still open. providing services for victims of human trafficking and domestic violence, or anyone needing help or answers regarding human trafficking or domestic violence. Please call 888-339-7233. If anyone would like to donate to Ruby's Place or volunteer, please call our main office at 510-581-5626.
Sunflower Hill helps individuals with special needs in many ways, including providing quality activities. Due to the shelter-in-place, Sunflower Hill has closed both the Sunflower Hill Garden and Sunflower Hill at Stable Cafe to program participants and volunteers for the foreseeable future. Here's a message from Sunflower Hill's Executive Director.
Hi, my name is Edie Nelson. I'm the Executive Director of Sunflower Hill. We are an organization that is dedicated to creating places and spaces where adults with developmental disabilities thrive. Our programs have been paused for the foreseeable future. To that end, we have created Sunflower Hill online activities that will meet online at noon, Monday through Friday, beginning on Monday, March 23rd. We hope you will join us by visiting www.sunflowerhill.org activities. Thank you so much.
New activities are posted online each weekday at noon, providing learning enrichment and consistency for program participants. Activities include yoga for all abilities, scavenger hunts, cooking and hosting tutorials, updates, and more. What have you been doing? We'd like to know how you're keeping yourself busy. Here's Mary Windishar to tell you more.
Hi, Mary Windishar here. Usually I host Slice of Life from the studio, where we share interesting places and events here in the Tri-Valley. But these days, we're all sheltering in place, so it's your turn to share a slice of life. Send us a video. What are you up to at your home? Show us your co-workers, your kids, your spouse, your pets. What's helping you survive these days? Has anyone shown kindness in a way that surprised you? Just send a smartphone video that's less than 20 seconds long to connect@tv30.org. That's connect@tv30.org. Come on, if you're sheltering in the Tri-Valley, share. And who knows, a slice of your life may just end up on TV30.
Well, that's it for this edition of Slipstream. Stay as safe as you can during the COVID-19 pandemic, and make sure to keep tuning in to TV30 or our special COVID-19 page located at tv30.org for updates. Keep informed about Tri-Valley TV by becoming our friend on Facebook. I'm Veronica Law, and you've been watching Slipstream on TV30. Tri-Valley Community Television, your connection to the Tri-Valley. Take care.